Imagine a world where giant machines never stop, surpassing all human limitations. Ingenious mechanical marvels transform the forest into challenging blueprints, turning every difficulty into an opportunity. This is where pure power meets technology, unbridled. Good day and ready to explore the amazing combination of mechanical power and limitless creativity? 6000 V harvester head, combined with a rotten H21D to create an ideal duo in wood harvesting work. With a precision cutting system and the ability to handle large trees up to 60 km in diameter, this saw head easily cuts, splits each log in seconds. Huge, tough tree trunks must succumb to the power and precision of this machine. Witness the action of the legendary Holes Transport Excavator Rudolph 6197 Shangnao truck, weighing 18 tons, traveling through vast pine forests. Spruce logs up to 12 meters long, straight, are stacked high on the truck floor, forming a mobile wooden wall. Rudolph Excavator, with a steady steering wheel, drove the truck through dangerous curves, delivering wood to the processing factory. Each trip could transport up to 25 logs, meeting the needs of non-stop production. In the video, the carpenter shares a simple and economical way to cut 24-foot-long panels using a 16-foot saw. With ingenuity and experience, the craftsman has taken full advantage of the sawing machine's capabilities to create high-quality wooden panels. Through videos, you can learn many useful techniques and become more confident when performing woodworking tasks at home. The Volvo EW180A roared, the slashbuster blades spinning wildly, creating a tornado that tore up every bush and grass in its path, completely transforming the appearance of the work area. SEN-NEBO GE N860E series in Estonian port, with its outstanding power, is demonstrating excellent port handling capabilities. This machine, with a reach of up to 25 meters and 300 horsepower, easily lifts and moves heavy containers, even in harsh conditions. Each of its movements is precise and powerful, increasing the speed and reliability of a classy goods handling device. Explore the woodworking process at agoUNITED 17.8 HD, a modern woodworking factory that provides services from turning trees into finished wooden panels. The factory uses advanced machinery to cut, saw, and process wood, with the process starting from cutting large tree trunks into wooden panels. So why is agoUNITED 17.8 HD the optimal choice? Because they use precise wood cutting technology, it saves time and increases labor efficiency. Whenever you need quality wooden panels, don't hesitate to come to agoUNITED 17.8 HD. The ripper attachment on the Bobcat E50 for stump removal is a reliable decision. With its easy-to-use design and deep digging capabilities, the ripper attachment pairs perfectly with the maneuverability of the Bobcat E50. When the machine starts working, the ripper blade penetrates soil and hard tree stumps, easily uprooting them. Thanks to the precision and power of the attachment, stump removal is simple. In the middle of the quiet forest, the roar of the Style MS 462 chain saw rang out, cutting through the trunk of a tall pine tree. Each cut of the saw was like a goodbye, tearing up the green land, leaving behind fallen trees, bare in the weak light of the afternoon. The machine takes advantage of the power from the 70.7 cc engine and the ability to cut quickly. But each operation is a loss when nature has to make room for new shoots to grow. ARJES Raptor XXLDK using a 530 horsepower engine is an ideal machine for processing wood with outstanding power. With the ability to crush and tear apart large logs, the machine provides maximum efficiency in processing raw wood. The sturdy tree trunks cannot resist the sharp teeth and powerful motor of the Raptor XXLDK, turning giant logs into compact pieces, ready for the next stages in the processing process. The Belarusian MTZ-82 is stuck in deep mud, amid extreme muddy conditions, unable to move. However, with the help of the rescue machine 1025, the stressful situation was quickly resolved, bringing the tractor out of the mud easily. Trosero trucks, silent warriors of the forestry industry. With the slogan, "Nothing is impossible," always engraved in their minds, they constantly work to transport wood from deep forests to the factory. Whether it's a muddy, rainy season or a scorching, dry season, these trucks still work persistently, contributing to the development of the wood industry. The bitter cold of winter is nothing compared to the power of the machine roaring through the snow-covered forest. The last pine tree, a lone giant standing on the side of the road, now trembles before the sharp saw blade. Each cut was a scream of pain that echoed throughout the white space. Finally, the giant fell, leaving a cold void in the vast pine forest. ProGrind PG 5100, the super fast grinding machine, is working at full capacity. With a roaring 500 horsepower engine, its sharp blades crush all stubborn materials in the blink of an eye. From wood chips to scrap metal, everything becomes fine powder in the hands of ProGrind PG 5100. This is truly an effective solution for recycling and treating industrial waste. At around $200,000 USD, this is the ideal investment for you. Guava Forestier's Crepon uses modern equipment with a capacity of up to 250 horsepower to exploit and transport wood with a diameter of 1.2 meters. To maintain the performance and longevity of the machines at Guava Forestier's Crepon, routine maintenance is important, such as oil changes, hydraulic checks, blade sharpening, and motor sharpening to help maintain machine performance and longevity, ensuring the logging work goes smoothly. With the MAN 6X6, Buffalo offers outstanding wood transport capabilities in dangerous forests. The powerful 500 horsepower engine and 6X6 drive system allow it to load up to 12 tons and easily overcome rough terrain, bringing fragrant logs of wood back to the factory. In this video, you will be introduced to the Forest Cleaner, a strange machine used for cleaning. In just 8 hours, the machine can process up to 86 acres of cleared land. The machine's ability to reduce and crush vegetation makes it an indispensable tool in the forestry industry, saving time and effort.